everyone, this is Krishna Kumar Sharma from Manchester English Academy, and today I'm super excited to share with you two amazing gadgets I just received. First up, I have Transcend external hard drive, which is 4TB, a must-have for my storage needs. This will help me keep all of my teaching materials, videos and course files safe and accessible anytime. Next, I got Ulanzi J12 microphone, an incredible microphone that is, the audio quality probably helped me to get, that will help my videos and everything super crisp and, fantastic for my audience. Both of them I purchased from PC House, and I wanted to give a special thanks to Tanmoy Bhai for his amazing support in helping me choose the right products. Thank you so much, Tanmoy Bhai. I bought some. I also bought JBL Charge 5 speaker previously, which also I bought from Tanmoy Bhai, like from PC House. I also recommend this product to my relatives as well. He also bought another one. So the cost Transcend 4TB hard drive is 4,600 with a special discount from Tanmoy Bhai, and Ulanzi J12 that is cost 2,900 taka, and JBL Charge 5 speaker which I bought previously cost me like 14,800 taka. So all of these products are authentic and original, so I'm really happy with my purchase. Why a gadget? If you ask me why these gadgets matters for teaching. As an English teacher and mentor, investing in good equipment is crucial, I guess. Whether it's for teaching IELTS, spoken English, PT, life skill, A1, B1 or kids English courses, having quality tools makes a huge difference in online education. At Manchester English Academy, we offer IELTS preparation. If you would like to achieve 7+ with expert guidance, then we are here. Spoken English and communication skill. If you would like to build your, spoken English, then speak confidently in any situation, you can join with us. If you would like to PT and life skill B1, A1 training for UK settlement visa, you can get in touch for the best strategies for exam success. We have also kids specialized English one-to-one course that is fun interactive lessons for young learners. So if you want to improve your English and if you would like to take your English to the next level for your English preparation or exam, work or daily life, join us today. We provide the best support to help you succeed. That's all for today's unboxing and review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, so we will motivated to make more videos like this. So if you have any questions about these gadgets or our courses, drop a comment below or just text me. Let's learn and grow together. See you in next video. Cheers. আজকে আমি রিসিভ করলাম ট্রান্সেন্ডেন্টের 4TB এবং পিসি হাউস থেকে। ধন্যবাদ পিসি হাউস। এই আমি দেখুন এখন কথা বলছি উলানজি ইয়ারফোন দিয়ে, বেশ ভালো। দেখা যাক সাউন্ড কেমন হয়। হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, এই ছিল আজকের ভিডিও। আশা করি আপনারা সবাই পছন্দ করেছেন। কুইক একটা আপডেট, এবং যারা কিনতে চান কিনতে পারেন। 4TB আমার দরকার ছিল স্টোরেজের জন্য, সো আমি এটা নিলাম। থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিওয়ান, ভালো থাকবেন। আর আশা করি এগুলো আমি খুব ভালো ব্যবহার করতে পারবো। উলানজির এটা খুব সুন্দর প্যাকেট এবং বেশ ভালো লাগছে। থ্যাংক ইউ পিসি হাউস, থ্যাংক ইউ তন্ময় ভাই, স্পেশালি হি হেল্পড মি আ লট during this, and I'm so happy. Thank you Tanmoy bhai and PC House, all of them for wonderful product. Thank you very much. Cheers.